Hey guys, and welcome. My name is Rhiannon, also known as Relove, and today I'm going to be filming a video of me finishing off 4 of my crochet jumpers that I've started. Today's Wednesday, so I'm hoping to get 1, maybe 2 done today, and I really want to start wearing them. Come along for the journey of me finishing my crochet jumpers. This is going to be my little setup for the day. I'm going to be here working on her, working on another one. Let's see how long this is going to take me. I really don't think it's going to take me too long. Might tie in the ends. I'll see how I feel. Let's do it. It's 12:20. Let's see how long this takes me. So right now I'm just crocheting a granny square for the sleeve, and then I will be joining the side of the top together, like the 2 sides, the front and back together, and then I'm nearly finished. I've just finished that granny square jumper, and that one I finished. I forgot to tell you what time I finished that to see how long it took me, but I finished that one at like 1, and it's now 2 because I had a little lunch break. I'm actually gonna do the blue long sleeve top. I've got one of the sleeves here. I need to make one of the other sleeves, and I'm making it using my Centro knitting machine. Sew this together and then attach it to the top. So let's do that now. So right now I'm just stitching the sleeve together, and I'm using a slip stitch, which is a really good stitch to kind of mimic knitting. So I'm just slip stitching each into each and every stitch. So it is a very slow process. Okay guys, I've just finished sewing the sleeve together, and now I'm going to attach the sleeve. I'm going to now attach this sleeve to the body part of the top. I have a break now from making these jumpers. I just have to do the other sleeve for this top. I just wanted to film this part because I thought the clouds looked really cool, like in the background, and they're like moving really fast because of the time lapse. I'm actually just doing like one of those gem art things like that everyone did during COVID and lockdown. So I thought that would be pretty cute to just add in for ya. It's another day, guys. Let's do another jumper. Actually, all I have to do is 2 sleeves. Hoping it's not going to take me too long. It's 11:30 a.m. Oh, she's cozy. 32. Oh my god. Get started. Headphones are going on. So I just ended up spending the rest of the day working on the cardigan and the sleeves, and then I ended up going to dinner to my friend's house, and they've got a really cute puppy, so there is some footage of their new puppy. Okay guys, it's the next day and I spent most of yesterday working on the pink cardigan and I finished it. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek now and then I'll show you the rest at the end of the video. This is what it looks like. Okay, that's all you get to see. It's 9:30, 2 jumpers left. I have started on the mesh one. I'm just doing the sleeves at the moment. Hopefully I can get this one done pretty quickly. Let's hope. So let's get started. So I've just done this much of the sleeve. I'm going to be adding increases, so then at the wrist here it's like a bell sleeve. Okay guys, I have made some progress on the bell sleeve. It looks like this. So as you can see, I start off like no increases and then I started to increase, and then you can see how she goes down into like a bell sleeve. Yeah, nearly finished this one sleeve and then I'll get the other sleeve done. Okay, I've just finished the first sleeve. Now it is 11:30. It took me a while, so I'm going to do the other sleeve and I'm just gonna smash it out. I'm not going to record it. I'm just going to do it really quickly so I can get it done and then move on to the last jumper. So I will come back to you once I finish this sleeve. Okay guys, now I'm going to finish the last sleeve of the blue top / knit jumper. Using my Centro knitting machine. She looks like this. It shouldn't take me too long. I'm just cranking. I've nearly finished it. I've only got 20 more rows to go. This took me about 10 minutes to do. I love this machine because it is so quick and easy and I've made so much in literally 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to do 20 more and then we can join it together and then attach the sleeve to the jumper. I have just finished the sleeve here. Now what I'm going to do is join these two bits together like this. I'm going to slip stitch all the way along here and then I'm going to attach this sleeve to this hole here and I'm going to single crochet around. So I'm going to do that right now. I have finished all the jumpers. Yeah! I made them all. Now I'm going to show you them.